Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290 Ecotech. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 115029. MOT, the 20th of March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and won't turn over. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.